128 gigabytes of RAM. That's a specification more commonly associated with professional workstations than a handheld gaming PC. Yet it's exactly what GPD is preparing to offer with its upcoming Win Max 3. Freshly revealed ahead of its official launch, the next-generation handheld pushes the boundaries of portable computing with several substantial hardware upgrades, targeting users who want both gaming performance and laptop-like productivity in a compact form factor. The biggest headline is the memory configuration. According to the latest information, buyers will be able to choose up to 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, an unusually generous capacity for a handheld device. Storage is equally ambitious, with support for high-speed PCIe SSDs to handle demanding games and professional workloads.
Display technology is also receiving a significant boost. The Win Max 3 is expected to feature a 10.95-inch AMOLED panel with a 165Hz refresh rate, delivering smoother animations, deeper contrast, and more vibrant colors than the LCD display used by its predecessor. Under the hood, GPD is expected to offer AMD's latest Ryzen AI Max processors, bringing stronger integrated graphics performance alongside dedicated AI acceleration. That combination could make the device suitable not only for modern PC gaming, but also for content creation, programming, and AI-assisted applications while on the move. Despite the substantial performance upgrade, GPD appears committed to preserving the Win Max series' signature design. The integrated keyboard, built-in gaming controls, and clamshell form factor remain, allowing the device to function as both a handheld gaming system and an ultra-portable Windows laptop. Although pricing and launch timing have yet to be officially confirmed, the revealed specifications suggest that the Win Max 3 will once again occupy the premium end of the handheld PC market, competing with devices aimed at enthusiasts who prioritize versatility over affordability. If these hardware details remain unchanged at launch, the Win Max 3 could become one of the most powerful Windows handhelds released to date, offering desktop-class specifications in a remarkably compact package. Would you consider replacing your gaming laptop with a handheld this powerful? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of the latest tech news.